Hi, first graders. I'm loving all of this learning that we are doing about the rainforest. Today, you are going to be continuing that by watching a video in BrainPop Junior about the rainforest. Before you get started, you are going to need your rainforest KWL sheet from yesterday. Let me show you what that looks like so you'll know what to get out. Yesterday, you might remember that we started filling this out as we started learning about the rainforest. Remember, the K is what you wanted to know, the W, or the K is what you know, the W is what you want to know, and the L is what you've learned. So as you're watching the BrainPop Junior video today, I want you to write down 2 or more new facts that you learn about the rainforest from this video. So I would have this right here next to you as you're watching the video along with a pencil so you can write down what you are learning. Okay, let me go ahead and show you how to get to the video that you're going to watch today. So you'll go to BrainPop Junior using the login that I provided on the PowerPoint, and you'll go to the white box and type in rainforest. You can see that it starts to come down right here, so all you need to do is click it. And then you're going to click the first box right here. A video is going to pop up, and you are going to click play. Anytime you want to stop and write something down, all you need to do is pause the video.
Hey, Moby. Where are you going? Moby?
So if I wanted to stop, I would just hit the pause, and you will watch the entire video. Again, writing down 2 or more new facts that you learned about the Amazon rainforest. Now, I want you to hold on to these KWL sheets because we're going to be continuing to add on to them as we study the rainforest this week. Thank you, friends.